So today we are going to discuss about a lot of possible treatments, newer treatments to take care of it, and I would like to introduce Dr. Madhuri, who is a very renowned celebrity dermat, and she'll be joining us here. I have with myself right now this kit. Now this is Derma Angel. These are acne patches. Now this has been doing really well overall in world, and now we finally have it in India, and we would like to know more about it from you, Dr. Madhuri, how it works and all. I have a list of questions to ask you.
Sure.
If you don't mind.
Basically, the patches have hydrocolloid. Like you remember band-aids, hum gir jate hain, so we apply this band-aid.
Yes,
Something
yes.
similar to that. That's the same property. It has hydrocolloid or hydrating material in it. So when you put it on, what it does is, say you have a pus and you have to go and do a live event today. So it's really bothering you and looking ugly. So you just put it on there, and it will, without you knowing, suck out that pus. And when you remove it at the end of the day, you will see it's gone. The skin is more calmer, more settled, and there is no pus out.
Does it work for anything else, like scars or whatever skin issues, or you must have used it for something else, like?
So I use it for wounds also. People who have these scabs, wounds. So there, if you just stick it on, again you don't keep on picking it, and it draws out all the wound collection, and it helps to heal. So in fact, surgeons use it a lot for their post-surgery. The patch, since you have it, can we see the patches?
Yeah. 1 second. So I have a day patch and a night patch. I was about to ask you, like, what is the difference between the two?
So the night patch is more thicker. If you feel it, actually they are both very thin. You can hardly feel it. But if you just touch it, you'll find there's a little difference. It's more thicker, so that throughout the night you're not exposed to dust and pollution. The hydrocolloid material works more harder to get out the collection.
Oh, it's like so thin. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can barely see it. That's why I said you should see it.
Like the cause of acne and then how it can go about.
Yes.
Lovely. And lastly, like, how long does it take for one acne to heal? Like, it is very depending on, or there is, like, how does acne patch work? Like, do I have to wear it every day to kind of heal it? For how many days?
Yeah.
Something like that? Yeah.
So basically, generally when you have, this works on when you have pustules, okay? If you have deep red bumps which are not having a head on top, it will not work for that. So one that you have to keep in mind. It mainly will work when you have these pus and these collections and blackheads, and also you just pop it out there. Generally it would take on an average of 5 to 6 days. That's why it comes as a 6-day pack, because that's the time period an acne would take to heal. Thank you so much for having me.
Glad to have this in India, Derma Angel, and we're gonna try it and get back. For
yes, sure.
Thank
you so much.